Hi, my name is Shayna and I'm one of the manufacturing interns here at G&W Electric. And I'm going to show you what a typical day looks like for me and the other manufacturing interns. Every morning, us manufacturing interns go to the production meeting. This means we meet with the supervisors and managers in our area in order to find out what needs to get done for the day in order to stay on schedule for our customers. As a manufacturing intern, we do a lot of time studies, which means watching the employees work, timing them, and seeing how we can improve their process and make it faster. With the internship program, we're able to work on projects together with the other interns. Here, they're working on a business case to present later this afternoon. I've loved my last summer here at G&W Electric. Thanks for joining me and the other manufacturing interns to see what a typical day looks like for all of us.